Assalamualaikum and hello. I'm Dr. Mohd Asyraf Mansor from Mathematics Section School of Design and Education. I'm super impressed with the services offered by USM Library as compared to 5 years back during my PhD journey. The vast pool of resources from the databases and the ease of accessing them, plus highly supportive staff, makes USM Library is one of the best library in terms of services. Additionally, the web miniseries organized by USM Library is a real game changer, especially during MCOs. My personal favorite are finding impactful collaborators, online searching tools for researchers, and web miniseries by Web of Sciences, and many more. I got zillions of positive feedbacks from my students regarding on USM Library TV in YouTube, as most of them can watch the video, especially on the research report, at their own pace and time. Personally, it reduces my time in explaining to them on how to access the Google Scholar, Scopus, and Web of Science databases. All in all, I would like to encourage my dear colleagues and students to subscribe to USM Library TV. Kudos and keep up the tremendous effort, and thank you so much to USM Library team. Wassalam.